Yes.
My name is Ammar.
Ammar.
I'm going to perform CPR, adult CPR.
MashaAllah. Okay. How?
First step, ensure the area and
Safety.
is
Yes.
safe
That's right.
for perform procedure.
Yes.
And open the airway. First.
And then the patient will bop. Maybe he's conscious. Maybe he's conscious.
Check consciousness, level of consciousness.
Yes.
For the victim. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes.
And
not responding.
Tell call for emergency medical system 997 and tell him about my name and location.
Yes.
And condition.
Condition of the patient. Yes, correct.
Open the airway.
Yes. How?
Head tail and turn left.
Yes. Head tail chin lift maneuver.
Turn left.
If you suspect that the patient suffered from neck fracture, what technique you will use? Jaw thrust maneuver. Yes.
And inside the mouth, any foreign body.
Yes, for obstruction. Remove.
Okay.
How do you remove the foreign body?
By the finger.
You will, yes, finger sweep.
And,
if there is no foreign body, next, what you do next?
Check, breathe. Listen any sound.
How?
For 1 inch.
How do you do it?
How any sound. If doesn't pulse, give him two breathing.
After that?
After two breathing, check pulse.
Pulse. How many seconds maximum?
For 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Yes.
And
if no pulse.
No pulse. Give 30 compression.
Compressions how?
And the sternum. 1 and
Where?
In the sternum.
Yes.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Is that the proper position of the hand? Must be straight. That will cause rib fracture.
1.
Don't do like that. Must be straight. Your hand must be straight forward, standing on the chest, on the sternum.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Yes.
Cycle.
4 cycles.
And check carotid valves. If no valves, give 2 breathing. Again 30 compression.
Okay, let's say for example you have pulse and you have breathing, good pulse. What do you do next?
Check valves and
yes, recovery position. Put it in the recovery position. Okay.